In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create Jira issues from a list using the bulk import feature. If you're often managing a long list of tasks or issues and want to streamline the process of importing them into Jira, this method will save you a lot of time and effort. The bulk import feature is a real game changer, especially if you're dealing with extensive data. Let's get started by setting up the process. First, direct your attention to the left sidebar in your Jira interface. As you hover over the Projects section, you'll notice a plus icon appearing right alongside it. This icon is your gateway to several useful functions, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, you're going to want to select the Import Data option from the menu that appears. This will lead you to the page where you can initiate the data import process, which is conveniently designed to help you transfer data from an external file into Jira quickly and efficiently. At this point, you should be seeing a few options regarding the type of file you can import. For our purposes today, select the CSV file option. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a versatile format commonly used for data entry tasks due to its simplicity and compatibility with many different programs. If your task list or issue list is currently stored in a spreadsheet, you can easily save it as a CSV file to proceed with the import. Now comes the easy part, uploading your CSV file. Click the Upload button, navigate to your file, and select it to begin the upload process. As soon as your file is uploaded, you'll be prompted to continue with a few setup steps. These may include mapping your CSV file columns to the corresponding fields in Jira, ensuring that everything lines up correctly for a smooth import. It's essential to get this mapping accurate so that each piece of information lands in its rightful place within Jira. And there you have it. With the setup complete, simply follow the remaining prompts to finalize your bulk import into Jira. In just a few clicks, all of your issues or tasks are neatly arranged and fully integrated within your Jira project. That's all there is to it. By utilizing the bulk import feature, you're not only saving time, but also reducing the potential for errors that often comes with manually adding issues one by one. Whether you're a project manager, team leader, or a team member handling lots of data, this method offers efficiency and accuracy. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll put bulk importing to use in your next project. Thanks for watching, and happy importing!